Well, good Monday afternoon, everybody. Meteorologist Greg Majestic back with you here in the North Georgia Majestic Weather Studios with your weather update here on your December the 8th, 2025. Well, we still got some lingering clouds outside. We are going to see them slowly clear out, and we are expecting a colder temperatures for tonight. A little bit of a roller coaster ride with the temperatures this week, and then the weekend changes have gone through some pretty drastic changes as far as the placement of when that next cold shot comes in. So you want to stick around for my 7-day here in just a second. Now, before we get rolling into this, if you're new here on the YouTube channel, you live anywhere across North Georgia, please help us out as we're trying to grow this page organically. So we got to do this with your help. That means please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you're alerted on future content. And as always, if you ever have a weather-related question, please post it down below. Be nice to help you out. All right, let's go ahead and take a live look here up in Blue Ridge, Georgia. We got the lingering clouds here for today. Again, they will thin out by late this afternoon and going into the evening hours for tonight. It's going to set up for a pretty crisp morning for starting into your Tuesday. See, it's a few breaks in those clouds across Lake Lanier as well for this afternoon, but generally going to hold on to mostly cloudy, maybe partly sunny by the end of the afternoon. But again, we are expecting a little bit breaks in those clouds and colder temperatures here for tonight. Radar is all clear. Had a little bit of light rain early this morning, but things looking pretty good. And you can kind of see those clouds kind of linger a little bit, but you start to see those little gaps start to show up in there just a little bit as we'll slowly but surely see those clouds erode away here going in here for tonight. Now, as far as what we're going to expect here, as far as what we're seeing here for tonight, we got high pressure here building in here from the west. So you kind of see the high building in, moving this way. We're going to eventually clear out those clouds and we're set up for a pretty chilly night here for tonight. And it looks like no really precipitation chances, maybe until we get to Saturday night, maybe. And even then, it's not going to be a lot. So right now, we're looking at a pretty clear picture here. There's another frontal system that's going to be coming in going into Thursday. That'll cool us down briefly. And then we're going to be getting to above normal temperatures. I'm forecasting that for Saturday, briefly, one day, and then we'll see things begin to cool off. In fact, going into your Sunday, what I expect is we'll have our high temperature probably early in the day and then falling temperatures going into Sunday afternoon. So let's go ahead and take a look at the weather maps here from the National Weather Service here as we go ahead and take a look at this. Watch that little timestamp there on top as we kind of go through here. Going into your Tuesday morning looking pretty good. We got high pressure and control here across the southeast. Looking very nice indeed. No problems there. And as we go forward here, going into your Wednesday looking pretty good as well. There's a front off to our west. Then going into Thursday, not looking too bad. Maybe a nice little shower across North Georgia. I'm not really worried about it right now. And then going into Friday, we got high pressure there. Saturday, looking pretty good. This is where we got a little bit of difference of opinion. Right now, I'm looking at the European and GFS, and they're both kicking out some sort of precipitation with some sort of frontal boundary coming in here. And right now, I am delaying the front until Sunday. Okay, I think that's what we're going to go with right now. I'm just looking at the numerical guidance on this and looking at the data. I think we got some rains coming in Saturday night into Sunday, and then we'll see colder temperatures and falling temperatures on Sunday, setting up for a cold day on Monday. That's how I'm looking for this right now. This is subject to change because the models as far as days 5, 6, and 7 have been very erratic. So expect some potential changes there. It can look a little bit different by tomorrow. So, all right, so here's our forecast here for tomorrow, Tuesday, looking pretty good, 49-33, a bit of a chill. Definitely need a jacket, and you probably have some decent frost on the windshield there in the morning. Overnight lows elsewhere, a lot of 20s on this map. 27, very popular number out there, especially across northwest Georgia. A little milder, a little lower 30s there in eastern parts of the forecast area. But again, a frosty start for many locations. Daytime highs, kind of a mix of 40s and low 50s here across the area. Again, still a little bit below normal for this time of year, but not bad as we continue our relatively dry spell here across the area. Region looking like this. 51 is a popular number here on the southeast. How about Nashville, Memphis, and Savannah all at 51 degrees. Atlanta at 50, 57 in Jackson, 42 over into Charlotte. So a little bit of a cooler wedge there across the northeast areas there across the southeast. Here goes the next 7 days. Okay, this again, right now through Friday, I think we're pretty much set. Okay, so we're going to have some sunshine in here. Should be mostly sunny for tomorrow. 56-33 on Wednesday, 51-36 on Thursday. And then we'll get some clouds coming out here on Saturday. I'm going 61-45, all right? And then dropping temperatures on Sunday. Notice I got 56 there in the morning and 44 for the afternoon. I expect falling temperatures on Sunday, maybe some rain chances Saturday night into Sunday morning. And right now going 40-25 on Monday. Again, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Those 3 days, subject to change. Just be ready for it. It's coming. We're going to get a bit of a change here in our forecast for sure. Again, it's just been it's a very complex weather pattern going on right now. Models are really having a hard time, especially with this cold core that's coming down. It's not going to come sweeping as far south what we had thought initially, nowhere near as cold as what it could have been. Still kind of a glancing blow, but the timing on this appears to be changing just a little bit, okay? All right, again, that's your latest update here on the YouTube channel. Again, please hit that subscribe button, help us grow. This channel eventually will become the source for the 24-hour channel, so it's a good opportunity for you guys to get on board here and hit that subscribe button. All right, you guys take it easy, be good, stay safe, and we'll see you tomorrow. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.